In this tutorial, we will see how we can use autofill functionality in MS Excel. Excel has a functionality called autofill. We can use this function or feature, I would say, to fill month names, dates, days, and numbers, etc. We don't need to type manually while using this feature, and we can easily and quickly enter data using this feature. Let's see how we can do this. Here in column B, I want to populate name of days. So I will type just one value like Monday or Sunday. Now, if I select this cell and I move my pointer to right hand side, then I can see that pointer sign is changed into plus sign. I will select here and drag towards down, and we can see that we can easily populate and quickly name of all the days. Let's see one more example. Suppose if I write name of a month and I click on the right hand side at bottom, when mouse pointer is changing into plus sign, I will pick it and drag down, and I can see name of months are populated in column C. Now here I will type a date, let's say 01 1st December 2015. Now if I select this date and in the same way I drag it down, then I can see dates are populated in column D. We can use this autofill feature to add numbers or generate numbers or multiplications even. Let's see how we can do that. I will type as 1. Next cell I will type as 2. Now as I will select these two cells, and here I can see that at the right hand side pointer is changed to plus sign. I will pick here and drag this towards down. Now basis on the selection of two cells, Excel identifies the trend of data, and same values with the same trends are populated further in the same column. Now this is like we already have defined custom list in MS Excel, and basis on what values are being populated. Now if we want to populate some values which is not a standard list, then what we can do, we can create our own custom list. Suppose if I write like north, then east, then south, then west. Even in this list, let me format this cell. So even in this list, if I select these two cells and drag down, then we can see that we have a trend of northeast, southwest, and same values are being populated further, because what I did, I have already created a custom list for this. Let's create a new custom list and see if those values can be populated here in Excel. Suppose I want to create a list of three items like pen, pencil, and copy. Now if I select these two cells, drag down, then we can see that copy, pencil, but not pen is being populated. So what I'll do, I'll create a custom list by specifying these three values and see if we can populate the trend here in the next column. So to create a customized list or custom list, what I'll do, I will just click here on file, then I'll go to options. In this window I will click on advanced. I will scroll down till I see edit custom list option. I will click here. Here in the list entries, I will type as pen, comma, pencil, comma, copy. So at this point of time, I have just three items. I will click on add, and we can see that pen, pencil and copy. These three are added in custom lists. We already have few lists defined basis on what we were populating values. Now if I click OK, and here also I will click on OK. Now I will type as pencil and copy, only two values. I will select both cells. On the right hand side at bottom, I can see that pointer is changed into plus sign. I will pick here, drag down, and we can see instead of just copy and pencil, we can see pencil, copy, pen, pencil, copy, pen. So we have been able to do this by creating a customized list. So this is how we can quickly enter days, months, dates and numbers using autofill feature in MS Excel. Also, this is how we can create a custom list for our regular uses of values which we enter frequently in our Excel. Thank you.